Namaste students, me Satish. I am lecturer in biology. Today I am going to discuss about this human blood grouping. How we can do a human blood grouping and who discovered human blood group and how many types of human blood groups are there. We have studied in early classes. There are four different types of human blood groups are there. But the same we are going to repeat in a repeat. See, as we know that human blood groups was first discovered by Karl Landsteiner. Human blood group first discovered by Karl Landsteiner in the beginning of 20th century. See, on what basis it classifies human blood groups into four main types. Human blood groups are classified into four types based on presence of antigen and antibody. Based on presence of antigen and antibody, human blood groups are classified into four types. They are classified into different types. Karl Landsteiner classified human blood group based on presence of antigen and antibody. What are antigen? Antigens are made up of glycoproteins. Antigens are made up of glycoproteins. They are present on cell membranes of RBC. Antigen present on cell membranes of RBC. What are antibody? Antibody are made up of proteins. They are present in plasma. Antibodies are made up of protein. They are present in plasma. Now we are going to classify human blood groups based on presence of antigen and antibody. Now let us see first about the blood group. Blood group, antigen and antibody. Now let us say A blood group. In A blood group, what type of antigen they should have? A antigen. What type of antibody? A antibody. See, what type of antibody they should have? B antibody. A blood group they should have what type of antibody? B antibody. Then blood group B. Blood group B they should have B antigen and A antibody. In blood group B they have what type of antigen? B antigen. Then what type of antibody? A antibody. Then in AB blood group they should have both the antigen, that is A and B, but antibodies are nil. Antibodies are nil in AB blood group. Then in O blood group, antigens are nil. They have both the antibodies, that is A and B. They have both the antibodies, that is A and B. A blood group they have A antigen, then they have what type of antibody? B. B blood group they have what type of antigen? B. Then what type of antibody? A. AB blood group they have both the antigen A and B, but they does not have any antibody. O blood group they does not have any antigen, but they have both the antibodies A and B. See, that's why AB blood group person, they can receive from A blood group, they can receive from B blood group, they can also receive from O blood group. Hence, AB blood group is called universal recipient. AB blood group is called universal recipient. Why? They can receive from all other blood groups. Why they can receive from all other blood groups? Because of the presence of both the antigen A and B. Because of the presence of both the antigen A and B, they can receive from all other blood groups. Hence, AB blood group is called universal recipient. But O blood group can donate to A, can donate to B, can donate to AB, can also donate to O. They can donate to A, they can donate to B, they can donate to AB, and they can also donate to O. Hence, O blood group is called universal donor. O blood group is called universal donor. AB blood group is called universal recipient. See then, can A blood group person can donate to B? B blood group person can donate to A? A blood group person have one type antigen A, then what type antibody? B. B blood group person they have one type antigen B, then what type antibody? A. A antigen should never combine with A antibody. A antigen should never combine with A antibody. If B blood group person donate to A blood group person, if B blood group person donate blood to A blood group person, here B blood group have what type antibody? A. A blood group person what type antigen? A. If A antigen come in contact with A antibody, then clumping of blood takes place. That means clotting of blood takes place. That's why B blood group person should not donate to A. That's why A blood group person should not donate to B because of clumping of because of clumping of blood groups. But AB person can receive from all of blood groups, since AB is called universal recipient. O blood group person can donate to all, hence O blood group is called universal donor. Now we are going to discuss about the RH factor. We are going to discuss about the RH factor. Along with A and B blood group, human RBC also possesses RH antigen. Human RBC also possesses RH antigen. Along with A and B antigen, human RBC also possesses RH antigen. It was first discovered in a species of monkey called rhesus monkey. It was discovered in a species of monkey called rhesus monkey. Hence, the name itself derived from RH. It was that indicate the name of the species of monkey, that is rhesus monkey, RH. If a person having RH antigen, then the blood group will be RH positive. If a person having RH antigen, then the blood group will be RH positive. If a person does not have RH antigen, then the blood group will be RH negative. Majority of human population will be RH positive, where less population will be RH negative. Thank you.